how to fix GCash app by Load Unsuccessful. If you're trying to buy any load on GCash but you're not able to, I'm going to show you a quick fix how you can do it. So first thing is that you cannot fix anything in your app, so you will have to contact the customer support. For that, open any web browser you have and search for GCash customer service. And once you search for it, something like this GCash Help Center will pop up on your screen. Tap on this link and it will redirect you to the GCash customer service. Now here you can see different options on products and services. You have to find load. It's right here on the second option. Tap on load. And here you're having trouble buying load, so just tap on this buy load plus icon, and here you will see you don't see any option here, so get help with load, and here you see unable to buy load, so just tap on this link and it will tell you a few ways on how you can fix your problem. So if the system is under maintenance, then you won't be able to buy anything, and just try to check your network signals or try app troubleshooting and error reporting. Now, once you do this, tap on this next icon, and here you will see this link. Click here to ask for help. Just tap on this link. It will open up a form and create a ticket for your name. Just enter your email address, registered full name on GCash, enter your number, and GCash your reference number or transaction ID, your amount, date of transaction, and all of these detailed informations. Once you do that, just tap on submit and it will create a ticket and send it to GCash help and support team. Now, once they receive your message within 1 day or two, they should be able to get back to you with a possible solution, and you should be able to continue buying from GCash. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It would help us out a lot. And also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.